Let's go. Hey, got it. Have you ever seen Turner and Hooch? I don't understand.
Well, I mean, how smart you got to be. You just push.
I pushed. I pushed.
Well,
so push down. So I don't get it. How do you do it? Kevin, can you show? I don't understand.
Tech support. We need tech support over here.
I don't understand how to do it.
Use a spring.
Oh my God. How dumb are we?
So what is this?
It's a milking stool.
A milking stool.
I've never heard of this.
Me neither.
It's a bit of an experience.
This will be a check of the groin, is what this will be.
Yeah.
That is what?
I know.
Are you hand milking?
No, you just have to get a little out to make sure there's no abnormalities in the milk.
And what would make it abnormal?
Not milk. Good, did I get it? She gave me 100 pounds.
Ah, world record.
It is a world record. Woohoo!
So that's the combined weight this morning.
She likes me.
We didn't confirm and reset it.
Freaking poop factory down at this end. As soon as I clean up